What is it doing? I feel like every stream I've been stopped up. I can't shake whatever this is. Alright, I'm gonna run this disclaimer. Alright, let's get into it. So, we had a inversion fair value gap on the 1 hour. I think this is 1 hour time frame. Plus, we also had this higher time frame. This is opening price. We had it close above it, come back. We treated that as inversion, and we were able to get a little scalp there. I did put my stop loss a little too low, got stopped out once, and then basically recovered. So we're like $10 up for the day, but yeah. So that's what we're working on now. We could see it rotate down. This is our first presented fair value gap here, which is a void. We'll see what market does. Alright, so yeah, we'll see what market does. Just do this right here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap that we could potentially come down into. We have a small real-time trading hours, very, very small. So there's no gap, so you might see a little bit, how do I say it? A little bit, just up and down today in the morning. Went back up, touched the higher time frame open, or yesterday's close. That's what this is, yesterday's close. Check that. Oh, let's see. Yesterday's close. The buy side I was aiming for is up here. These two levels, sell side is below here. Got a mitigation block forming here. We were, let me take my Got up to a discount level between these two ranges here, or these two levels. Went up to 75, closed below the 50, closed below the 37, and then bounced up off the 25 to the 50, and then 50 we saw rejection here. That level, which is also aligned with the higher time frame. Yesterday's closing price came up to hit that 50 level, and then we traded off. Now going into this fair value gap that could be treated as inversion. We'll see what it does. According to market structure, I would have to be bullish. There was a breaker here. Honestly, I should have taken a short there. Just didn't see it like I should have, but this is a breaker. Breaker block. Here, came up, swept that high, closed below it, came back, retested that breaker. We have a lot of things going right now. We got inversion here, got a breaker, and then we have yesterday's close. So, a lot of things going on, and plus this fair value gap first presented. Alright, came down in here, traded this as inverted. We could, get a little bounce, but I don't think it'll reverse totally. Wait for the 1010 or 1050 to 1010 macro and see what it tells us. We are currently up to $25,892. So we're almost there. I think the next account that I buy, I'm just going to do a lot more risk, because right now I'm risking like 0.5%, but I think, because you'd have to pay $90 a month for it. It's better just to buy it for 20, try to get it done in 3 days, 3 or 4 days, and then that way you can make money so that you don't have to spend 90 without, you don't have to grind the whole month just to make $100, because then you're at a loss. When, my strategy, I can at least, I have a good win rate, so I should be able to, or a break even or win rate, so I should be able to get it done faster with a little bit more risk, and then when I get an account, actually do the proper risk management. That way, if I fail it, then it's like, I just fail it, move on, cancel it, and move on. Here's this gap, getting some sensitivity. Like to see more structure before we start aiming for this buy side here. We did break above this level with the actual candle. So, I mean, technically, I could definitely see this going down in this range. It is at a discount. We'll see if we get an inverted gap here, maybe inversion on the 930 first presented, and then we can start heading towards that buy side. Really nice pushes off that. Yeah, I definitely think this is a good strong push indication that we could take this higher. A little bit skeptical about this trade. Just for the fact how quickly we rejected off that first presented fair value gap. I would rather we get above this, but sometimes by the time you get above it, it's too late to take a trade to go up to the buy side. But we will see what it wants to do. It came back up into this mitigation block. It's the 15-minute close. Mitigation block here. And we saw a little sell-off from that level. We are above the 75% level, so we could possibly see it start making our way back up to the 50% level. I like this, as long as we start doing a stair step type of action where we, show you, as long as we need it to hold above the 75, so we would get a good close above like the 37, come back down to the 12, go up to the 50, come back down to the 37 or the 25, and then just kind of work our way up. Would like to get up to the 900s today. $10 away. So we left this half open. It's not a bad trade to take. I just still I don't like it for some reason. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands. I like this trade, even though it went against me. Maybe I'm liking the wrong trades, but I do think we should probably reach for this buy side up here. Could have definitely taken it and already be broke even. We'll see what happens. Wait for the, we got, let's see what time is that, 10:52. Oh, that was the 10 macro. Yeah. Hindsight, we should have taken that trade, but let's see if we get a run back in here. That just doesn't make sense for risk's sake. I'll take a buy. And then we'll do a sell stop here. F2. I might get stopped out, but I don't know. It looks good. It looks good. We came back down in here. We treated it as inversion, and yeah, that looks good. Good trade. All right, that was good. I like that trade. Went up to our TP so fast, and could have held on, but you know, I'm not gonna get greedy. Yeah, good trade. I think that might conclude my day because lately I've been over trading. I'll take a good little hit off, get a good direction off the market in the morning, and then I might lose like $50 or something off the trade. Then I'm only like up $50 instead of up $100 or $150. So I'll take for right now, right now, I'll take my profits and be happy with them. So I did mean to close out one, not all of them, but that's alright. Alright, well, a quick little trade there. If I see something really like stand out to me, excuse me, keep snorting, really stand out to me, then goodness, I'll take another trade, but yeah. Honestly, looking at this 15-minute chart, it looks like you could even reverse from here, honestly, based off of structure alone. But yeah, we'll see. Like it. Yeah, yummy. And that's why you don't get greedy. Because this happens. I've had that happen so many times to me. I see where it could go. I'll take a trade, push it to break even. I'll wait, and then I see a huge candle like this, and then I'll be like, "Oh, it's going to the moon," and then it gets stopped out. Cause there's no way that I would let it hit my TP and then not break even the trade. Like, that's the worst feeling in the world to be like in profit and then to like leave your stop where it is, then for it to come back down and stop you out. Like, oh, that sucks. So, and it's taxing. It's very taxing emotionally as well. So, what did I do? Oh, I see. I could definitely see it going higher, but see that sensitivity right there? Yesterday's close came back, touched it, shut off. See that little sensitivity? Let's see. Coming back down into that first position for rig up. Let's see what to do. See what to do. I definitely could see us coming back up into this buy side. I really kind of want to go another long, actually. Let's see, what do we do? Let's see if we can get another long in here. How do I adjust this? Yeah, well, I know I shouldn't have taken that trade. I'm going to trade over here. Okay, go to our paper trading account so I can practice on that, because I already got my profit for the day and I don't want to lose it. So we can practice on this. Let's just take a buy here inside this fair value gap. So if we get a good push above here, we don't want it to linger in that. We don't want it to linger inside that first position. And we'll do stop loss down here. And then we'll do take profit up here. Let's see what it does. Touching this water block. should get up into here, see low rejection, and then we'll buy, and then go up here. If this candle closes below this, then we gotta get out. I'm trading with very small size, just to get some practice in. This does not look good. Close on that trade. And yeah. Oh, what you got? What you got? I mean, so we have structure shift. Like this range should give us some sort of push up. Should, in theory. So we have structure shift. This range should give us some sort of push up. What time is it? Let me look at the. Okay. Now I know I'm not tripping. Because if you go back in my video, this was a gap. There's a void here. And then now there's no void. That don't make sense. Go back in my video. This was a gap. That's weird. Alright, the next two candles, we need to see some signs of push up out of this. That is $16. I can rest $16. And then a candle after this. Excuse me, need to see some bullishness. Alright, we are cooked. Well, might take one more trade, but I think I'm on the wrong side. Let me wait till we have, I mean, let's see. I think I am on the wrong side to this. Yes, I was. Indeed, I was. Well, we can make our way to that sell side now. Alright guys, well, I am up like, what is this, 60 bucks for the day. And I will like to keep my money because I've been wrong 3 times now. I've made 2 right trades here, but in this mess I was wrong. And honestly, looking at the price action here, this was a I swear, go back in my video. It was a liquidity void there, 930. It was looking good. It actually wasn't looking good. There was price action closing up about like it's just sloppy, which means that it's not respecting a side. So I shouldn't have been trading in here in the first place. It did come back down into this order block, which if I took a trade down here, it'd be fine. But um, yeah, I'm done for the day. Let me see if we can see. 4 hour took out, yes. 4. Go down in that 1 hour. Gap. Yeah, that's where we're going. Oh, that's that side. Inverted that. Alright. I think we'll go down into here, this 1 hour. That's probably where I should have been looking for. But I'm happy with what we got. So, alright, I will catch you guys on the flippity flop. Peace out.